What's up guys, it's Jake Karamol and we are back at Painful Pleasures, and today I am giving my first impression on the new Blackout ink by World Famous. First off the bat, I look at the bottle and it is awesome. I mean, it's very interesting. It's got World Famous embedded in the side. It looks like the tip pops open nice and easy with one hand. The tip is protected with this nice little plastic covering, which is great, keeps it nice and safe. Getting it back on takes a little bit of time sometimes, but I'm a pro at it now, so. It is the first fast flowing glycerin-free ink, which is really exciting. Supposedly it's supposed to flow a lot easier, probably a little bit less thick if I were to guess. We're gonna give it a test today and see how it goes, and hopefully you guys can check it out too. And we are back, and we are gonna be testing out our World Famous Blackout ink. Just came out, super excited, so we're gonna give this a nice little pour, see what the consistency is like. Flows real nice, seems nice and thin, kind of not like super thick, but not super thin. Wow, I closed that first try, very, very impressive. We got a little bit of the CBD glide on our pound of flesh, and I am going to be packing some of this in and giving you my first impression. Very nice, very nice. Filled up real good. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of pack it in there. We get a nice, good section, fully saturated, and see how dark the pigment is. And this is actually without glycerin, so it's supposed to help it flow. I am noticing it does flow very nice. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to see what the tone of the black looks like on this pound of flesh. Big shout out to Pound of Flesh. It's a very consistent ink. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe it away here in a second. Packing, packing, packing. That's a pretty rich black. I like that a lot. I'd be very curious to see how it heals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some home and I'm gonna use it on some of my clients over the next couple of weeks and give a nice review on that. I'm really excited on it because I haven't used it before. Who knows, I might make a switch. So if you guys wanna pick one up, make sure you guys hit Painful Pleasures up today. It's actually pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie.
You got that audio, right?
I actually am kind of surprised, it's really nice.